Hey everybody, this is Chrissy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to help you create a mission statement for your business and for your website. So I'm mostly concerned about the website part of it. Hopefully you already have a mission statement. If you don't, this is just one way. It's sort of a way to help the brainstorming process along. So it'll give you some ideas that you may not have thought of. So the first thing, you need to create an account on ChatGPT. So it's chat.openai.com, and I have a Plus account, and but I'm going to use 3.5, which is available to the free accounts. So once you're in there, you can actually ask ChatGPT what information it needs to help you create a mission statement. So what information do you need from me to help me create a mission statement for my business? So I'm just going to ask it, what does it need? And it's going to tell me, it's going to give me a list of things that it needs. So nature of the business, let me scroll back up. Nature of the business, my target audience, my core values, unique selling proposition, business goals and objectives, vision for the future, company culture, brand personality, geographic scope, customer promise, and tagline, which is optional. So you kind of need to think about all of these things. They can't tell you all of these things. You need to know this information about your business. So I'm going to do this for a fictional business. I've already got a mission statement for my business, and but I'm going to do this for a fictional business called Cup of Crofton, which is a Crofton local tea shop in Crofton, a tea house cafe in Crofton. It's fictional, so we're not really there. So first of all, I'm going to tell ChatGPT, my business is Cup of Crofton. It is a locally owned tea house in Crofton, Maryland. Let's see. We have indoor and outdoor seating in a cafe setting where we serve high quality teas, sustainably and ethically sourced teas, pastry, teas, locally produced pastries, and other related items. We also sell loose and bagged. We also have a retail area where we sell loose and bagged teas. Also I can't type today, sustainably and ethically sourced tea sets, accessories, and related products. And then I'm going to add a new paragraph. Our target audience is adults between the ages of, we'll say 21 and 50 in Crofton, Maryland. They are typically, and you want to know a decent amount about your target audience. So hopefully you've already done some research into your target audience. You've done some modeling. You've looked into the area. If you're doing this is a brick and mortar store, so I've done some market research and I've looked into my potential customers already. So I haven't really for this one because it's a fictional business, but hopefully you've done all that. One thing that I do recommend, if you haven't already done that, I've got a website planner You can get it at websitesuccessacademy.com, and it walks you through the exercise of defining your target audience and some of the other things that you'll have to answer in this. So I do recommend filling that out, or at least just go through. You can Google how to create a target audience, and you can do that. So anyway, so for my Cup of Crofton, we're going to say they are typically higher income, or they're typically higher income and have money to spend, because there's probably going to be spending $5 or $6, $7 on a cup of tea. Let's see. I'm not going to give too much information about my target audience right now. So I'm going to just say they enjoy tea, but probably not a big fan of coffee. I don't know. Maybe they are. All right. And then core values. What are the fundamental principles and values that guide your business? We believe in sustainability and using ethically sourced products. Providing a livable wage to our employees. Providing excellent customer service and a comfortable experience. We want our customers to feel like they are part of our family. All right, unique selling proposition. What sets your business apart from competitors? We are the only shop in the area that focuses on tea, and our tea, our beverage, our prepared beverages are higher quality than our customers can find in local chain coffee shops. All right, that's our unique selling proposition. Business goals. For the short term, we hope to, let's see, what do we hope to do? I don't really know, because it's a fictional business. I'm just making this stuff up. So for the short term, we hope to become the place to go when someone thinks of tea time. In the long term, we hope to eventually franchise the business. I'm going to leave, I'm not going to, because I've got the long-term vision. How do we see our company making an impact or contributing to society in the future? By providing a livable wage to our employees and giving them other benefits like health insurance, dental, vision, tuition, reimbursement, etc. We hope to be a great place to work for people in our community. All right. Company culture. What do we want to foster within the organization? Values and behaviors. We want our employees to love going to work and really want to be a part of the company. All right, let's see if it understands that. Geographic scope. I'm sorry, brand personality. We want to be fun and natural, I guess. Natural, fun and natural, maybe playful. We'll see. Oh, I didn't finish. I hit enter. Let's see. So this is what it's got so far. So it's giving a really long mission statement. Your mission statement should probably be like 1 to 3 sentences long. Let me see what else I forgot. Geographic scope. I actually added the geographic scope. All right. So this is a really long mission statement. And so I'll say, thanks. That is a great start, because I'm always nice to the AI just in case. Can you please make it shorter? I would like my mission statement to be 1 to 3 sentences long. So let's see what it says. All right, there we go. There is a 1-sentence mission statement: to be the heart of Crofton, Maryland, where tea lovers unite to enjoy ethically sourced teas and warm camaraderie while cultivating a playful and sustainable haven. So that's pretty good, I think. And I'll tell the AI, that's great. Can you please give me 5 more options for my mission statement? You got to be specific here. Keep them no more than 3 sentences long each. Keep them each no more than 3 sentences long. So here we go. Here's 5 more options. Elevating tea culture in Crofton, Maryland. We curate ethically sourced teas and local treats, fostering a fun and inclusive community around our shared love for the art of tea. That's pretty good. At Cup of Crofton, our passion for sustainability and premium teas creates a cozy sanctuary for like-minded individuals where exceptional service and family-like connections abound. Driven by a commitment to quality and conscious choices, Cup of Crofton invites tea enthusiasts to embark on a delightful journey celebrating nature's finest flavors in a playful and inviting setting. As Crofton's cherished tea hub, we strive to enrich lives through thoughtfully sourced teas and genuine hospitality, uniting patrons in a warm, eco-conscious atmosphere. Cup of Crofton, where tea becomes an experience, blending exceptional teas, local delights, and a touch of whimsy, all in harmony with our dedication to sustainability and employee well-being. So those I think are pretty good. I would probably, whichever one speaks to you. So when you do this, ask for several choices. You can ask for more. So you can say, please give me 5 more choices, and ask for more choices. And you can combine choices. So you can say, those are great. Please combine number 3 and 4 into a single statement. And let's see what that does. There we go. Okay, at Cup of Crofton, we blend passion, sustainability, and exceptional teas to create a cherished tea house where everyone feels like family, savoring ethically sourced blends in a playful, eco-friendly space. That's good, but it doesn't include that we want our, well, it kind of does, but we want our employees to feel valued. That's great, but please add something about how we want to treat our employees. All right. So at Cup of Crofton, we blend passion, sustainability, and exceptional teas to create a cherished tea house where everyone feels like family, savoring ethically sourced blends in a playful, eco-friendly space. We are equally dedicated to nurturing our employees, providing a supportive and rewarding workplace that fosters their growth and well-being. That's pretty good. It's not perfect. I'd probably go through and tweak it a little bit more, but this is a great start for my mission statement. you need to have a mission statement to really kind of guide the business and let others know. It's not so much for you as it is for your target audience. You need to let your target audience know what you do, how you do it, and why you do it. So you need to create a statement and tweak the statement until it does those three things. I think this particular statement's 2 sentences long, so it's not super long. I think it does a decent job at that. So I think this will work. Now, I have my mission statement for Pongos on my About page. So let me actually show you that real quick. Let me just pull this over here. So this is my About page on Pongos, and this is my mission statement for Pongos. So you can see, driven by a deep sense of community, we aim to revolutionize the web development industry by offering WordPress solutions tailored to small businesses and nonprofits while promoting a culture that values work-life balance and amplifies underrepresented voices. So that's the mission for Pongos. It says what we do, how we do it. So we revolutionize the web development industry. How we do it is with WordPress solutions tailored to small businesses and nonprofits. It also says who we serve, which can also be very helpful. So if somebody's looking at my mission statement, they can say, oh yeah, I'm a small business owner, or yeah, I'm a nonprofit director, something along those lines. And why we do it is because we want to promote a culture that values work-life balance and amplifies underrepresented voices. One thing it doesn't really do, and I'm still tweaking, I'm always tweaking my mission statement. It does say why we do it is our deep sense of community. But it also says this is another part of why we do it. I want to maybe work on this to make it so that it says more about why we do it for our clients, our target audience. But I also think it's important to let our target audience know. And I think it's important because this is something that I want my target audience, I want my customers to care about, is having a good company culture and having work-life balance and amplifying underrepresented voices. So, I've got, there's 4 developers here and half of us are women. So, we're trying to bring some diversity to the web development world. So something like this, I think, is a pretty good mission statement. Put your mission statement on your website. You can use it as sort of your part of your elevator pitch. So if somebody says, what do? You can use a version of your mission statement to tell them and give them a little bit of information about your business. So I hope you found this useful. ChatGPT, remember, use it as a tool. It's don't just copy and paste this mission. I mean, you could, if you absolutely love it, you can copy and paste it, but I do recommend tweaking it a little bit. Other artificial intelligence can tell that it's written by artificial intelligence. So, if you're putting this on there, Google will know that this was probably written by AI. So I would recommend tweaking it a little bit so it's got a human touch in there. But, this is I think, use AI as a tool, and it will give you some pretty good inroads and a pretty good starting point for things like this. It can help you if you don't have people to brainstorm with, then you can maybe use. I work by myself. I work at home, and I do have my team, so I can brainstorm with them. But we are doing everything online, so this is a quick way for me to sort of get my information out there and brainstorm myself. So anyway, I hope you found this useful, and I will see you in the next video.